Hi guys and welcome back on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to measure your stress level on Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. So let's do it. So to do that just swipe to the right and here we have stress, and to measure your stress level just press measure. And now just wait for a few seconds. Now it's preparing. Just wait and be relaxed. And now it's over, and as you can see I'm not stressed at all. And if you want, you also can go to your phone, and on Samsung Health app you can see your stress level. Here there is, just press on stress. And now this is what I measured before, and as you can see it's very low, so that's good for me. Also we have here on your watch and on your phone the option to breathe, and this is a very good option because it helps you to lower your stress. Just press start and it takes about 1 minute, and after you are doing this you will see that your stress will go lower. So I hope this tutorial to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.